Best AI avatar video generator speaking like human. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another great and fun video, and in this video we are going to be discussing about AI avatars, AI generated avatars, and how you can make them speak like human. And trust me, these are going to be extremely realistic, and I know why you're here. Most people are going to be here because these AI avatars are used nowadays in YouTube videos, okay? People are widely using them. So, they can get proper talking AI avatars out there and they can use them to properly talk and stuff. It's really great. Okay. So, we're going to be getting into the depth of this, okay? And we're going to be discussing it all in great detail. So, please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end and listen to all the information that I have to fully provide you with, because if we do that, then trust me, by the end of this video, we both are going to learn how to properly use these instincts and avatars to make proper videos for ourselves. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, first of all, let's discuss this platform. It's called Pixar.com. Okay. And Pixar.com basically allows you to create a lot of things. So, when it comes to the actual AI tools, you can see you have AI photo editing, AI image generator, AI enhance, AI writing assistant, AI background, AI replace, and then AI avatar. And obviously, we are on AI avatar right now. That's what we're going to be using. So, create magical AI generated avatars in minutes. Discover how to bring your artistic version to life with personalized AI avatars. You can create your very own avatar right now if you want to. Push your creative boundaries with AI avatars. You can see searching for new ways to express yourself online. You can have a unique profile picture. Artificial intelligence is here to help with it all. With their state of the art AI avatar tool on the PixArt app, it's easier than ever to push your creative boundaries with personalized avatars. The best part is that you don't need any technical experience or design skills to harness the power of artificial intelligence. All you need to do is upload a few portraits and let the AI avatar maker work its magic. No matter how many times you generate profile pictures, your results will always be unique. Now, whenever you're ready to embrace the extraordinary experience of infinite imagination, unleash your creative potential with AI. You can also make your brand break through AI generated profile pictures, whether you're building your personal brand, searching for a new profile picture, or creating attention grabbing ads. Artificial intelligence can be your editing MVP. Think about it. When your audience is constantly bombarded by an endless sea of status, updates, marketing promos, and notifications, you need bold visuals to set your board apart. It takes a lot of time and effort to capture the perfect profile picture or design memorable social media posts. But there is good news, okay? There is a silver lining to this. You can create scroll stopping works of art in minutes with AI, okay? So it's really good, really great artistic stuff. And you can transform your selfies into like actual hyper realistic portraits. There's a reason why a picture is worth 8,000 words. And when it comes to your profile picture, AI avatars can show people what you're all about. With the amazing power of AI at your fingertips, you can reimagine yourself in a world of infinite imagination. Plus, you can create double take worthy portraits based on your style and personality. Your creative potential is limitless with the AI profile picture generator, and if you need to touch up your avatar, their AI image enhancer can instantly boost your image quality for a sharper, crisper finish. So, there's much more, like get creative with one of a kind couple AI avatars. You can give your pet avatar that they deserve, and how you can create the AI avatars. First of all, you're going to upload your images. Upload 10 to 30 pictures of your face using different facial expressions and angles. We'll use these pictures to generate your AI avatar. Then you're going to choose different options. Choose how you want your AI avatar to be presented. It could be smiling, female, male, whatever. Then you're going to generate the image. Sit back and let the AI work its magic. Depending on how many avatars you're generating, you'll need to wait 20 minutes, 4 hours for the finished project. And then finally, you're going to download your avatars. Customize your new avatars with their all in one AI editor. When you're finished, download and share your designs with the world. And here you can see tap into the power of AI Avatar Maker, upload any image format, whether you have JPG, PNG, or any other file type. You can upload images in any format over 512 by 512 pixels to transform your pictures into museum-worthy works of art. High quality profile pictures are also there. Like you can have any good profile pictures for your YouTube channels, surprising your loved one with unique AI portraits, get high quality pictures every time. You can get premium editing features, no design skills. Okay, you can highlight your unique styles, unlimited styles, and no repetition, and a whole lot of other stuff. These things are really good. These things are really great to actually get your head behind, and it's just really fun. So basically, that's the general outlook. That's the general, description you could say for all of this. And then you can obviously start creating your own AI avatars by just clicking over here. Now, to obviously create your very own AI avatar, you're going to need to download the whole PixArt app. So you could be using Google Play, it could be App Store, whatever you want, whatever you're comfortable with. So go ahead and download it through whatever methods that you can, and then just make your own avatar. But obviously, there's a whole lot of other things as well. Like you can use websites like media.io to, generate good AI avatars. So as you can see, it gives you a lot of different options. So you can go and generate avatar, and here it's going to say upload image. So you're going to basically upload the image that you're going to want to generate into an avatar. So let's say I have this image over here. Okay, so I want to generate this image that I have, which is already an animated image, into an actual avatar. So let's say I'm going to convert it into a Disney, or, let's make it angry. So they're going to turn this into a Disney vibe with an angry face. So let's see how it's going to look. And look at that. How decent does that look? Or it could be, a disgusted face. And this looks really nice considering the images that we gave it. So how do you feel about the results? Obviously, you can go ahead and let them know about your feedback. And, you can add different styles. Obviously, I'm going to try to switch up the style a bit as well. So, you get the whole general outlook of it. Let's turn it into a Barbie style. This was obviously Disney. Let's switch it up to Barbie. Let's see how does Barbie look. And let's wait for it to load up, and look at that. So, you get a general outlook, you get the general output of it. It looks really nice and it looks really cool. And let's move over to these American comic drawings. Let's see how this looks. And so yeah, you get the general outlook of it. So media.io or PixArt, all of these will work great. And look at that. Look at how cool that looks. So yeah, basically that's the common gist of it. So if I were to give you a brief overview again, PixArt or media.io use these to basically, create your account, sign up with their plans or descriptions if they have any, and then just go ahead and edit away and embark on your designing journey. So yeah, that I would say is about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed it, please drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.